Hello and welcome to this video on 20 ways to earn money online. In this video, we will discuss various ways in which you can earn money online from the comfort of your own home. Freelancing. You can offer your services as a freelancer on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. There is a high demand for freelancers who can provide services like content writing, graphic design, social media management, and more. Online surveys. You can earn money by completing online surveys on websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars. Companies pay you for your opinions and feedback. Online tutoring. You can teach students online through websites like Chegg, TutorMe, and Schooly. You can teach a variety of subjects and set your own rates. Online writing. You can write articles and blog posts for websites like TextBroker, iWriter, and Hire Writers. You can earn money based on the number of words you write. Affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale you make. Websites like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer affiliate programs. Online store. You can start your own online store and sell products on websites like Etsy, Shopify, and WooCommerce. You can sell a variety of products, from handmade crafts to digital products. Virtual assistant. You can offer administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs as a virtual assistant. Websites like Virtual Assistant Jobs and Zirtual connect you with potential clients. Online transcription. You can transcribe audio and video recordings for websites like TranscribeMe and GoTranscript. You can earn money based on the length of the recording and your typing speed. Website testing. You can test websites for usability and provide feedback to website owners. Websites like User Testing and TryMyUI pay you for your feedback. Online coaching. You can offer coaching services in various areas, such as business, health, and personal development. Websites like Coach.me and BetterUp connect you with potential clients. Online data entry. You can enter data into spreadsheets and databases for businesses and organizations. Websites like Clickworker and Microworkers offer data entry jobs. Online translation. You can translate documents and content for websites like Gango and Pro Translating. You can earn money based on the length and complexity of the content. Online graphic design. You can design logos, graphics, and other visual content for businesses and websites. Websites like 99 Designs and DesignCrowd connect you with potential clients. Online voiceover. You can record voiceovers for videos, audiobooks, and other content. Websites like Voices.com and VoiceBunny offer voiceover jobs. Social media management. You can manage social media accounts for businesses and organizations. Websites like Hootsuite and Buffer offer social media management tools. Online photography. You can sell your photographs on websites like Shutterstock and iStock. You can earn money based on the number of downloads of your photos. Online video editing. You can edit videos for businesses and individuals. Websites like VideoCaddy and VideoEditor.com connect you with potential clients. Online pet sitting. You can offer pet sitting services online through websites like Rover and Care.com. You can earn money by taking care of other people's pets while they are away. Online travel planning. You can help people plan their travel itineraries and book their flights and accommodations. Websites like Expedia and Travelocity offer travel planning services. Online podcasting. You can start your own podcast and earn money through sponsorships and advertising. Websites like Anchor and Buzzsprout offer podcast hosting and distribution.